Auri Kataruina, the queen of cleaning. Imagine cleaning the dirtiest houses in the world, and even doing it for free. Today, we'll tell you everything you need to know about Auri, the queen of cleaning. Auri is a Finnish cleaning influencer with over 1.35 million followers on YouTube. Her name is Auri Kanonen, also known as Auri Kataruina. Auri's biggest goal is to make cleaning fun and sexy for others, and she shares transformative videos where she deep cleans dirty homes while giving tips and tricks along the way. Today, we'll dive into Auri's journey of becoming the queen of cleaning, her work with sponsors like Scrub Daddy, and her future plans for her cleaning empire. Let's get started. Auri Kanonen, a 28-year-old from Pirkanmaa, Finland, has always had a passion for cleaning. In high school, she began considering cleaning as a potential career choice and started studying people in the cleaning industry, eager to learn their tips and tricks for cleaning faster and better. This passion eventually led her to pursue a bachelor's degree in hospitality management, which provided her with additional education and experience in the field of cleaning. Auri's journey as a cleaning influencer began as a passion project. After she posted a video on Instagram showing her cleaning a friend's kitchen, she quickly gained some traction. The post received around 300 views, 19 likes, and even a comment, which excited her immensely. Encouraged by this early success, she continued posting and quickly found her rhythm. Auri Kanonen's journey as a cleaning influencer has been filled with challenges that she had to overcome on her path to be viral. One of the major challenges she faced early on was her lack of familiarity with social media platforms. When she first started her social media accounts, she had to navigate the intricacies of platforms like Instagram and especially TikTok, learning how to create engaging content and build a following. Another significant challenge for Auri was the language barrier. English is not her native language, and in the beginning, she struggled with fluency. As a content creator, this presented a hurdle when trying to communicate effectively with her audience, especially given the global nature of social media. However, Auri didn't let this deter her. She persevered, continuously working on improving her English skills and finding ways to connect with her viewers despite the language barrier. After 6 months of consistent posting, she went viral. Her cleaning videos garnered a lot of positive attention and comments from viewers. It was during this time that one of her followers reached out to her for help cleaning her home after her husband passed away in a very unfortunate and tragic event. Auri stepped in and cleaned her home for free, documenting the process in a video. This act of kindness sparked a chain reaction, and many others started reaching out to her for help. Auri Kanonen quoted, "Back then, I was still working. I was still super busy in the cleaning company, and I had like 30 or 40 employees, like cleaners. So I was doing that as my day job." Around this time, sponsors began noticing Auri's growing popularity and reached out to collaborate with her. They provided financial support, enabling her to continue creating content. One of her most viral videos to date was on TikTok, with approximately 88 million views. In this video, Auri is seen cleaning a really dirty sink. A similar viral video shows her deep cleaning a dirty home. When asked why she believes these TikToks went viral, Auri explains that they are satisfying to watch, especially the transformation of a space. Auri Kanonen said, "When the scene transforms, and the home makeover, of course, is satisfying to see." One of Auri Kanonen's most significant projects took place in Switzerland, when one of her followers reached out to her for help with a unique cleaning challenge. The follower had a beautiful bathroom, but it was extremely dirty, presenting Auri with the perfect opportunity to showcase her expertise in deep cleaning. Auri, who thrives on tackling tough cleaning tasks, eagerly accepted the challenge. Recognizing the magnitude of the project, she enlisted the support of her sponsor, Scrub Daddy, to help make it happen. Scrub Daddy agreed to provide the necessary resources and sponsor Auri's trip to Switzerland to clean her followers' home. During the project, Auri documented the entire cleaning process, capturing the before and after shots to showcase the dramatic transformation. This visual journey allowed her followers to witness the power of effective cleaning techniques and the impact they can have on the living space. Throughout the cleaning project, Auri incorporated the products provided by Scrub Daddy into her cleaning routine. As a popular sponsor, Scrub Daddy's products are known for their effectiveness and high quality, making them a perfect fit for Auri's deep cleaning endeavors. The success of this project further solidified Auri's status as a cleaning influencer, attracting more attention and opportunities for future collaborations. It served as a testament to her skills and expertise in the cleaning industry, and reinforced her position as the go-to authority for tackling challenging cleaning tasks. Auri takes a natural approach to sponsorships. Instead of explicitly talking about products, she incorporates them into her videos while she's using them, This builds trust with her viewers as they see the effectiveness of the products in action. She ensures that she only works with sponsors who don't insist on exclusive product usage or constant promotion. She also shares sponsor links to her Linktree, and her followers often purchase the cleaning products after seeing how well they work in her videos. In return, sponsors cover the cost of flights and hotels for her cleaning projects. Auri quotes, "If the product isn't good, I don't care what they are going to give me or how much they would pay me." Auri's signature color for her brand is pink. It all started when she worked for a company that had pink aprons, and the color stuck with her. She wears pink in her videos and is planning to launch a merchandise line featuring pink aprons and pink gloves. Some of the merchandise will also feature iconic quotes from her channel, such as trashes, a word she often uses in her cleaning videos. A funny experience for Auri was when Good Morning America contacted her. As someone who had just started learning English, being invited to appear on their live show was both thrilling and nerve-wracking. For Auri, it was a comical situation because she had never been interviewed in her home country of Finland, let alone by a major American media company. The language barrier added an extra layer of challenge to the situation. Auri is currently working on launching her own cleaning app. The app will feature a year-round cleaning schedule and tips on how and when to clean various things. Many of her followers had been asking for a cleaning routine, and this app is her way of answering that need. Additionally, a portion of the app's proceeds will be donated to a mental health charity. Last summer, Auri was able to quit her job and focus on cleaning people's homes full-time. With the support of cleaning product sponsors and her social media content, she now spends 2 days a week cleaning strangers' homes while sharing her best cleaning tips with her followers. Auri quotes, "My goal is to show the whole world that cleaning is fun and sexy." It was inspiring to learn about her journey, her collaborations with sponsors, and her plans for the future. Don't forget to check out her YouTube channel and social media accounts for more transformative videos.